Hey everyone, it's Chaz, and I wanted to thank you for coming on board our Done For You SEO campaign. Our SEO campaigns are designed for busy agencies who need a reliable fulfillment partner on the back end, completely white labeled, all about performance. This video, a very introductory, what to expect, what your next steps are. But first of all, thanks for entrusting us with your SEO. I'm sure you're going to love it, but let's dive in. So first of all, you need to submit your information. You do that right here, submit campaign info. If you need to know how to use our order dashboard, we have instruction videos right here to do so. Order management dashboard is a quick, centralized place that allows you to save client info for future use. So you can save your clients and then use them for multiple orders. You can also, this is where you actually start your orders at. Just open that so you can see. So in here, there's a lot of different intake forms. Here's the Done For You SEO intake form. You just fill that out for your campaign. Within 48 hours, business days, our team will get this campaign audited and initiated. So we do move very quickly on these. Once your campaign's in here, this is what it's going to look like. It'll be under Done For You SEO campaigns. There's a complete reporting suite with this, and you'll see what I mean here right now. You can view your monthly reports right here. There's a data studio report here. I'll talk about that in a second, but let's go ahead and look at this. Because what I want to show you is right here. Once you submit your info and we start your campaign and do the audit, we're going to want to do an onboarding call with you. We want to talk about expectations of the campaign. We want to let you know basically what our strategy is going to be. We're going to talk to you about, we do a complete technical audit. So if we discover any issues, we'll discuss those. And then we'll also discuss, your competitors and what our plan is to beat them. But the onboarding call, you'll get a message not only in your dashboard, but you'll also get an email reminding you to schedule. You'll get a Calendly link to schedule that with Neil or Nikki, and they'll walk you through the onboarding. Very important, though, that you do your onboarding call. We really want to see these for every single campaign. The next thing I want to talk to you about is this, reporting. So we've really upped our reporting on these. Let's just go back here, one page. You'll notice that we also have, here's a white label keyword rank tracker. So you have access to a keyword rank tracker. Let that load up. It takes a second. We're pulling a decent amount of data in. So there's that. We also, and we monitor everything right through here for keyword rankings. The next thing is the Google Data Studio report. So we're big believers in tracking metrics, and for every single SEO campaign, we set up a Google Data Studio for you. This is a really great way and a really great report too. It's a white labeled report, comes with a white labeled email or URL. Very, very good for customer reporting, customer retention. But you have access to that. And then finally, the other thing I want to talk to you about in your dashboard, let me get back to it, is, sorry about that, right here at the end of the month, you get a monthly video recap. And it's a white labeled video that's just going to look at the metrics. It's going to explain what the metrics mean in simple terms. This white labeled video can be used for your client reporting. Combine that with Google Data Studio and your keyword rank tracker, and you have a pretty decent reporting suite that we offer here. Obviously, you can take it a step further, but ultimately, what we're here for is we want to give you the best SEO fulfillment that's available, but two, we really want to make sure that your clients are happy. And we go above and beyond with all of our reporting to help that, but also advice and help as well. So between Neil, Mike, Nikki, the entire SEO team here at Web20 Ranker, completely committed to making sure your clients are happy, helping you retain clients longer, helping your agency scale faster. So if you ever run into a tricky client, tricky situation, one of those edge cases, and you need help, just message us in your dashboard or via email, and we're going to do everything in our power to assist you to make sure that your clients remain happy and committed to you. But I'm Chaz. If you have any questions, let us know. You can contact us at SEO@web20ranker.com. Again, that's SEO@web20ranker.com. For active campaigns, you can message us right in the dashboard. We have live chat on our website. Live chat's also available in here. Multiple ways to get a hold of us and our team. You'll also get a welcome package. You'll get a couple welcome emails that also, guide you through the next steps. But it's important to start your campaign with a solid foundation. And that's our whole goal here at Web20 Ranker. Thank you.